This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and roof rails. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
1040 Ford, the world's oldest Ford dealership, is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 185 Roosevelt Road in St. Cloud.